I'm Scott Conrad, Director of Maintenance and Operations for Sherman ISD. We have a great maintenance crew here. Our responsibility is to maintain and fix and repair anything that goes wrong with the district or wears out. Since COVID's happened, we've put out multiple hundreds of hand sanitizers, hung those throughout the district, classrooms, corridors. Those guys have stepped up and done well beyond, what's normal. Man, if we didn't have the maintenance crew, it'd be very difficult to operate the district. We're kind of behind the scenes in everything we do. We're kind of like the offensive linemen of the football team. We just do our job, and as long as we do our job, everything kind of rolls along like it's supposed to. I'd like to say, we got a great bunch of men and women that work here in the maintenance department. It could be -4, it could be 104. We're on the job. We didn't miss a beat during the ice storm here in February. Checking buildings, keeping everything, make sure we wasn't frozen up, pipes busting and things like that. Those guys really worked hard while everybody else was home. We were here working. We're essential to keeping the district operating. My name's Scott Conrad, and I'm very proud to work with these maintenance men and women of Sherman ISD. They're a great bunch of people.